Every year at the beginning of Lent, so many of you ask us if we have any new and different ways to prepare fish. Believe me, we get it. So this year, I want to share with you a dish that we just came up with that's easy, Lenten special, and downright tasty. We start by sauteing some green and yellow bell pepper that we've cut into strips in a bit of olive oil, along with some cut up onion, cherry tomatoes that we've cut in half, and a few off-the-shelf spices. While that finishes up, we place about 1.5 pounds of fresh cod, haddock, or farm-raised catfish in a baking dish and season it with some salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Now that our veggies are tender, we place them over the fish and into the oven it goes for 20 minutes or so. You know, this is a far cry from all the fried fish that many of us grew up with every Friday. When you finish this with some chopped parsley and bring it to the table with a fresh veggie or two, your gang is going to want to know what the special occasion is. So why don't you go to our website right now while you're thinking of it and get a copy of what we call a good fish dish. Once you sink your teeth into it, you'll know why we named it that. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a change from the traditional fish fry way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. That's good.